Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So, in the last video, we have seen how we can manage Nidhi Limited companies in Jainam Software. So, in this video, we are going to see how we can create different types of deposit for the customers. So, just have a look. So, from the search bar, I will search one customer, F-4. Now, let's go to the deposit. So, here we can create different types of deposits like fixed deposit, recurring deposit, savings deposit. So let's say saving deposit of let's say 9% for let's say 2 year. So now I will create this saving deposit for let's say 1st of January 2020. This saving deposit. Now let's save this. So from the search bar, we can search D-7. So here you can see that Suman Singh saving deposit number 7 has been created. And from 1st January to 1st January 2022. Now let's say this customer has deposited let's say 10,000 from the 1st of January 2020. 1st of January 2020. And let's deposit. So here you can see, let's go and check the transaction. So here you can see 10,000 has been deposited on 1st January 2020 and interest projection is 936.99 for 380 days. So it's almost after 1 year. That is the 936 interest projection has been calculated by the system. So let's say this is in 937. So let's give the 937 to the customer. So by cash, we can select from here cash or bank and let's click to the interest. So if I go and check the transaction here, you can see after the 16th January 2021, the interest paid to the customer, that is the 937 on the saving deposit. So it is depending upon the 9% of yearly 2 years, whatever percentage you have fixed for the saving deposit and the tenure. So after that, so the now customer has the balance 10,937. Now customer wants to withdraw 1,000 from the bank. So let's say withdraw 1,000 as on same date. So here you can see customer has withdrawal 1,000 and now customer has the balance 9,937. So this information all he can see from his passbook as well, from his login. So if I go to the F-4, so if just go to the edit and from here let's create one login ID for this customer. So this is the mobile number of the customer, let's say, and save. So now I will just create login for this member. So here you can see login details are sent to the customer. Now just copy this customer mobile number and let's log into his profile. So from here I will just log in for this customer and let's check the passbook. So here you can see this customer has 3 deposits. So initially we have created this 9% from 1st of January 2020. So I will just click to the check balance. So here you can see 9,937 is the balance is in saving deposit. So details also we can check the transaction details from here. So this type we can manage all the